For the first time in 13 years, the Sunshine Girls will host the South African netball team, and the Jamaican contingent will be hoping to build on their recent 2-1 series win over England, which propelled the team from 4th to number 3 in the world. Despite Jamaica's superior quality, head coach Sasha Gay Henry Wright is warning her team against complacency. She reasons that the Sunshine Girls' victory over the higher-ranked England Roses is exactly why the girls can't take the South Africans lightly.
Although these girls are excited to play and they will have strong confidence, I think we can't be too overconfident. Yeah, we have to look at the task and look ahead of what is awaits us. I mean, England was number 2 yesterday and we were number 4, so that shows the depth. And number 4 beating a number 2, so we can't play it low. And I mean, we can't be complacent or we can't be overconfident. But we know we're definitely going to play strong and we definitely going to play hard for each game.
The coach is not perturbed about the unavailability of Twin Tower shooters Janelle Fowler Nemhard and Romelda Aiken-George. Henry Wright, a former national player, believes the squad has the depth to defeat the South Africans.
We were definitely not so pleased that we couldn't have them. However, while we're so pleased is that we have Shimona Nelson who will fill the gap. I think Simone Gordon, a youngster, she has come in fairly well. I think she did well in down under. At the Fast 5 series, she made her place. I think Mishka Creary, Shanice Beckford will bring a lot of depth into the shooting lineup. But we're excited that we could also have an international player. We get back, we'll be having back Rhea Dixon as a part of our squad in terms of shooting, and then we'll add other outside players, that's Bree, into our mid-court setup.
Coach of South Africa, Jamie Van Wyk, says the Jamaicans are the ones who will have something to prove on Saturday.
Well, as we see it, they are the ones under pressure. You know, they are ranked higher than us, so the expectation is that they should win the matches. You know, they've got a team, a well-oiled machine. They've got so many of the World Cup players left from the previous phase, and they're actually such an experienced side. So the pressure is on them at the moment. We've got a younger squad. We only have a few players left from the previous World Cup phase, and but we've got a squad full of energy and a squad that's willing to work quite hard.
Captain of the Sunshine Girls, Shamira Sterling Humphrey, says playing at home will again give the team that extra bit of energy.
I think the Jamaican team never lacks confidence, so our confidence is always 10 out of 10. It's good to have international netball back on home ground, so that will boost our confidence even a bit more, so it's good to have that.
Captain of the South African team, Kanisia Chowane, says her team is looking forward to taking on the Sunshine Girls.
Yeah, we're obviously nervous because Jamaica is a big team, but we're also excited. There's a lot of things that we've been working on. The team has been connecting well, and we've been training really hard. So it's exciting to see what we're going to do on that court when we put everything together.
The first game of the 3-match series, which is set for 6 p.m., will be preceded by a clash between the under-21 squads of both nations starting at 3 p.m. Daniel McLeod, TVJ Sports. Thanks, Daniel.